spraying me with shit.
Why did you? Oh my god. How fucking stupid. Dumbass.
That, my good friend, is a snowmobile trail. Where are you going?
Person, it's not a stop sign. Yield is yield. Watch out, because they might do something stupid now you beeped at them. I wouldn't trust them to not
Like well before.
Yeah.
And then I noticed that it was you, and I was like, shit.
Oh my god, you do.
Man. This is embarrassing. That's so embarrassing.
At least my dad has it.
Yeah.
So I'm in my box for right. My dad comes over.
Get fucked!
I just got fucking gapped.
They want us to get over?
Fuck. Damn it.
See, if I was the one driving, I wouldn't have let it happen. Like, why don't you pull over? I don't think I clipped it that much.
Jesus Christ, dude. Fucking hell. They're fucking crossing. Don't fucking stand at a crossing if you're not going to fucking cross.
Walk along road with myself. No one by my side. Put out my hand and reach for help, but nobody saw my sign.
Dude! Don't fucking take the turn then. Oh.
What the fuck is that?
Oh.
Why do you have a government plate?
Why the...
I've been getting used to waking out here.
personally do it.
Some government truck, stay in your lane.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Oh my god. Make your fucking mind.
That was one. I gotta say. No blinker at all. No one. Just looking like they're dumb.
The fucking feds
Can I,
for
like,
you.
donate these for you fuckers?
Yeah.
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 Oh my god, dude. Do you know how to drive a vehicle?
Wait, we're gonna be a gang, and who's gonna be the boss?
Me.
How fucking bad at driving? you have to be?
N94 85271.
Oh, you're taking pictures.
No, that's not. No. Okay. So basically, when they press the button, it saves the event.
Oh.
So.
That sounds like a bird.
That's not singing, that's just music. Yep, Vermont doesn't know how to stay in their lane. Really doesn't know how to stay in their lane, wow.
I was like, are you ever going to put
Not-
a directional? And that's not
Not
a turn.
how that works.
Isn't that?
Wow. Was he gonna do it? He ran the red. Good job, Acura.
Wowie.
Literally 5 minutes.
How do we get back there? It's...
No, it's fine. Do you really want to see a Maserati? Have you seen one before?
Yeah, I've seen plenty of Maseratis.
Okay, then you don't need
Oi!
to see it. Beep.
Sitting on the side of the fucking line. It's not that difficult of a concept. Oh, this is...
Maybe go with you, whatever. So that's soon.
Are we ever going?
No, that's why I don't go this way to work. Hit the fucking lane.
Yes.
That's my CBS.
Look, yes. Fuck authority. Silence away. Alright. Fuck no, we won't listen. Get over here. When did that get there?
With the wind, I guess. I don't know.
What the fuck? We need some cart narcs up in here.
So true. Listen to your minor,
yeah.
and minors can only have visor.
Fucking Virginia.
Virginia drivers are assholes.
Yeah.
I would know.
Did you make your last second decision? What the hell?
Hi.
Bro.
Yo, that lady just hit the car.
Girl, this girl, will you pay?
Oh, good fucking turn signal.
You're fine.
Oh my god, they almost got backed into. So why are you in this lane, Honda? Oh god, spraying me with shit.
Dude, they're a truck driver.
Well, they should know how to drive then.
We almost just died, didn't we?
No, not really. 4 straight lanes and a right turn lane. Oh, they're running that. That is so red. Yep.
Dude, anger issues. Holy shit.
No, people just don't know how to fucking drive. There's a fucking line on the ground for a reason. Is literally everyone fucking stupid? Are you oh, you're on the phone! Get off the fucking phone, you fucking dipshit. Not as crazy as that Nissan Rogue from earlier. What's your fucking problem, you dipshit? You're
He's the one literally wearing ski goggles.
Yeah, and he's driving from fucking Maine. Not as crazy as that Nissan Rogue from earlier. What's your fucking problem, you dipshit? You're
He's the one literally wearing ski goggles.
Yeah, and he's driving from fucking Maine.
Moms. I wanted to say white woman and moms at the same time
And fucking ran the stop sign. Because fucking Connecticut. Guess you're just not going that way.
press the button, giving you the chance to go the whole way.
Jeez, dude, you're like over the middle of the road.
And Peverly for you.
It's been Beverly?
Yep.
Idiot.
Oh, they're not gonna move over. Come on, Vermont. Fucking idiot. These little streets are all so fun and sketchy.
You're fun and sketchy.
The fuck does that mean?
You're sus.
Walk along road with myself. Know I'm by myself. Put out my hand and reach for help. But nobody's on my side. So I wake up every day, I've been trying. I put my face inside my hoodie, sleeves to stop all my crying. And I might say that I'm okay, but hope you know that I'm lying. I might just succumb to my thoughts, I think I'm tired of trying. And inside of me, I'm coming on myself. If you told me, then you better watch your tongue, but you not here to know. Back to the basics, wake up and go to sleep. Don't know who's my friend, I don't know they even care for me. People always ditch me, I wonder when they're gonna leave. Put over my head, but the wind is blowing on me.
It's like summer tours.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm surprised you didn't honk.
I wasn't sure.
I would've.
I probably would have too, yeah. I've been a cyclist for many, many years. And then I recently stopped because I had a panic attack. And now you're just on your phone. Seems true.